This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Fall Carlisle. This is just a little teaser. That pump they're asking $600 on. Want to go for a horsey ride? Ride Sandy, 10 cents. I don't see a price, let's find out. If I had to check out these double red walls, red lines. Oh, is that beautiful? I could picture those on your goat or on your vet. That is nice. I don't know how much Sandy is. This gives you an idea of what is here. Just some of the craziness of Fall Carlisle. You've seen those T-birds around? Here's your fiberglass body. You need that. You wanted that. You've got to come here to buy that. It's just so much cool stuff here. It is mind-boggling. 82 acres. 82 acres of nothing but cars, parts, and miscellaneous. And look at those washer bottles, taillight lenses. You got scripts, you got spark plugs. I mean, you name it, you will find it here. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com. Oh, look at that. You know what that is? That's a barber pole. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Fall Carlisle, inviting you to come on down. Oh, look at those bumpers. They're gorgeous. Come down before I buy half the stuff here. I'll see you at Carlisle. And if you like this video, click subscribe.